I sat at my desk, staring at an empty Notion page. I was tired of waiting for some miracle idea to drop from the sky. I wanted something that could actually build income while I slept, not another side hustle that burned me out. That's when I decided to spend the next 100 days building an AI-powered affiliate marketing system from scratch. Day 1 to 10 was the foundation phase. I opened Google Trends and typed in everything from fitness to AI software to pet gadgets. A graph of AI productivity tools shot up and looked steady. That became my niche. Next, I went to Impact.com, Digistore24, and PartnerStack. The sign-up forms were long but free, and by the end of the first evening, I had 3 approved affiliate offers sitting in my inbox. I created a Notion workspace called AI Affiliate System. The first page tracked my offers, links, and goals. Another page held ideas for content. I set up a clean Gmail account named after my niche and linked it to Google Sheets. The sheet had columns for date, clicks, signups, and commissions. From day 11 to 25, I built my content engine. I opened ChatGPT every morning and asked it to write blog-style articles around keywords like best AI writing tools for beginners and AI side hustles that work. I rewrote each paragraph in my own voice, adding personal lines like, I tested this tool for a week, and here's what happened. After each article, I pasted it into Grammarly to clean up grammar and tone. The free Chrome extension from Surfer SEO helped me balance keywords. Each piece took about an hour from start to finish. By day 25, I had written 15 complete articles. I stored them in Google Docs and linked everyone inside my Notion tracker, each connected to a specific affiliate product. Day 26 to 45 was all about creating posts and videos. I didn't want to show my face on camera, so I used Canva to design YouTube thumbnails and Instagram carousels. I kept the drawings simple, using stick figures, speech bubbles, and arrows. For voiceovers, I opened 11 Labs and used their free voice generator. I used CapCut Desktop to combine the voiceovers with stock clips from Pexels. I added captions, subtle music, and call-to-action slides saying, "Get the free AI tool list below." Each video took about 2 hours to produce. By day 45, I had 7 videos ready to upload and 5 short reels formatted for social media. On day 46, I switched to automation mode. I created a free system account and used a drag-and-drop builder to design a landing page. I linked it to an opt-in form that triggered 2 automated emails. The first email thanked the subscriber and included a quick start guide. The second email introduced my top affiliate offer. I connected Google Analytics 4 to my system page and pasted the tracking ID into the header. I watched my first visitors sign up on day 52. By day 65, I had a full mini funnel running, landing page, emails, redirects, and affiliate links all tracked in real time. Day 66 to 85 was the publishing marathon. Every morning, I uploaded 1 video to YouTube using Faceless visuals and AI voiceovers. I copied each article and republished it on Medium with a clear affiliate disclaimer. I also created a Pinterest board filled with Canva pins linking back to my system page. I used Buffer to schedule posts for the entire week on X, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. By day 75, I was waking up to notifications of likes, saves, and small bursts of traffic. The clicks started trickling into my Sheets tracker. Day 80 showed 3 signups. Day 82 showed my first $17 commission from an AI tool subscription. By day 86, I entered the optimization stage. I opened Google Sheets and created charts tracking daily clicks, signups, and revenue. I noticed 1 landing page performed twice as well as the others. I duplicated it in Systeme and changed the headline. The conversion rate improved instantly. Next, I connected Zapier to my system account so that every new email subscriber was automatically sent into my Notion database. Now my Notion dashboard showed real-time leads without me lifting a finger. I deleted the traffic sources that brought 0 conversions and doubled down on YouTube Shorts and Medium articles. By day 95, my daily traffic averaged around 200 visitors. 2 new commissions appeared that week. On day 100, I looked back at everything I did. I had 30 published articles, 15 videos, 3 landing pages, and a working funnel bringing in leads every day. The Sheets tracker showed 27 signups and $186 in total commissions. It wasn't life-changing money yet, but it was proof of concept. That's how 100 days can change everything.